Hi everybody, my name is Alex Giangreco. I'm a realtor and an apartment locating duck hunter here in beautiful South Florida. And I wanted to share with you my story about how I got into apartment locating. I've been in hospitality for 15 years. I decided I want more. Always wanted to be a realtor, always had a passion for homes and for architecture. So I got my real estate license back in December of 2019, joined a very popular brokerage firm here in town. And the first thing I'll never forget, my coach told me, don't do rentals. They're a waste of time. Just concentrate on selling and listing homes. Now, of course, I'm going to listen to the expert. I'm the amateur, and I've done nothing else in my life besides work in hospitality. So getting into a new career, it's very nerve-wracking, of course, and you're going to want to listen to any of the experts that you can so that you succeed. So for 3 months at the brokerage, I cold called, I door knocked, I called friends and family, everything that they said to do to produce leads. Of course, when you cold call somebody, a lot of these people don't want to hear from you. They either just say no and they hang up, or they just hang up on you right away. So it wasn't successful for me. And plus, as a new realtor, who was going to trust me to list their homes or to sell them a home without any experience? It's tough. So I thought there's got to be a way to make money in rentals. I don't believe everything that my coach is telling me. So I did a little research on the internet, and I found the apartment locating duck hunter Facebook group, and all of Pierre Meggy, who is the founder of apartment locating duck hunters group, all his free videos on YouTube. I watched every single video, and this guy is just an unbelievable, an abundance of information that I never knew was possible in the real estate business is in regards to the apartment locating niche in real estate. I was hooked. I watched all his free stuff. I joined the Facebook, free Facebook community, and the community is unbelievable. There's a ton of members, hundreds of members, and everybody supports each other, and you get great support from other realtors, apartment locators, people that are in the business that just got into the business. And not only that, Pierre, when you ask him a question through the group, he answers it right away. So just getting involved in this business in apartment locating for 2 months now, I would ask Pierre, hey, what about this? And how do you do this? And what do you say in this circumstance? I mean, he was like all over it, as if I had already paid for the Masterclass, which I didn't. I was just a free member, just asking this guy who's, probably one of the nicest people that you will meet, the most genuine person that you'll meet in the business. And he lives in Texas. I live in Florida. I don't even know this guy. So I was like, wow, this guy's really cool. He really wants to help, genuinely help people get into this incredible niche of apartment locating. So after watching all the free stuff, I said, you know what, I have to invest in this masterclass because, he is just so passionate. I can see the passion in him when he's doing all of his videos. And I said, this is it. This is what I'm going to do. So I invested in the class. It takes about 2 weeks to really get through the class. Once you get through the class and you set up all of the systems that he teaches you, it is really hard to do anything but succeed and to make a lot of money. So 5 weeks ago, I bought the master class. 2 weeks, really setting up my programs. I did a little bit of lead generation, which he teaches. All the platforms are free, completely free. And then, so really about 3 weeks where I was really starting to get comfortable. The past few weeks, I've closed 5 people and made $6,000. Yep, that's right. And I'm working with a ton of other people now. And the most rewarding feeling so far from all this is just the overwhelming response from the clients that I've closed. I had a couple clients that said, wow, you're really on top of your game, and thank you so much. And just really appreciative of of, helping them find an apartment, which you don't even have to leave your house. You don't even meet these people usually face to face. Everything's done on the internet and talking to them on the phone. And what they said to me was, next year, I'm buying a house. I'm saving up for our house, and I'm calling you. I mean, what an unbelievable feeling that was, to just know you've done an incredible job finding them an apartment, following up with them, and they're just so appreciative of your service that they're going to purchase a home. And knowing that is just incredible. So big shout out to Pierre, Maggie, and the whole duck hunter community. It's been an unbelievable ride so far these past 5 weeks, really, since I got the Masterclass, 2 months since I found this incredible niche in apartment locating, and the sky's the limit. I'm just getting my feet wet, and I'm going to keep going and pushing hard. I hope to meet you all in the Facebook community, and look forward to connecting with you all. If you have any questions for me, I'm happy to assist, and Pierre and anybody else in the community is here to support so that everybody's successful. There's plenty of business, there's plenty of money to go around, plenty of clients, and endless opportunity. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all soon.